friends and welcome back to Wildlife with Heroes. So today I'm in the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. So this Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage is situated in the Kerala district of Sri Lanka in the Pinnawala village. So this Pinnawala village is really beautiful. So it's a 2-hour drive from Colombo and let's go inside and explore more elephants. So friends, out here you can see and pet the elephants. You can take pictures, videos and have memories. So friends, you can see the elephants are taken to their bathing time. Gentle giants walking through the road. Let us also follow them. So you guys can see elephants bathing just right behind me. So they are just bathing in the Pinnawala river. These elephants daily come to bathe in this area 2 times a day. This thing started to protect elephants. So these people first brought abandoned, injured elephants to this place and made them well and released them to the wild again. So this is just like a place where you can see in Pinnawala also. So you can see lots of elephants, clusters, juveniles, babies in the same river. This is truly nature. This is wildlife. So these elephants freely roam in this river and enjoy their time splashing, playing in this area. So you can see elephants enjoying their time after bathing, eating grass, playing with their friends, resting under trees and sandbathing. So they do sandbathing to protect their skin from beetles and other bugs and creatures. Over here now I'm looking at a poster about difference about African elephants and Asian elephants. So let's first discuss about Asian elephants. So in Asian elephants there are 4 species: the Borean pygmy elephant, Sri Lankan elephant, Sumatran elephant and Indian elephant. So the scientific name of Asian elephant is Elephas maximus. The scientific name of African elephant is Loxodonta africana. This poster is very useful for people who really don't know about elephants, and we learn lots of things about elephants, the difference. If you all want to know more facts about elephants like me and more animal facts and enjoy wildlife, follow my videos and learn more about animals. Follow my videos, share them, like and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye friends, and see you in my other videos, Wildlife with Hero.